how to auto-import your recipes using Chefsheet. It is now even faster to set up Chefsheet to use for ideal costing of your food and drink menus. Using Chefsheet, you can now import your restaurant's menus directly from the internet. First, click the Recipe and Report button here. Now click Add Edit Recipes. Then auto-import your menu. How this works. You may have seen your menu on various review websites or menupages.com. These menus are collected into large databases such as Loku, which is what we have partnered with to bring you this service. The default search will always populate with your restaurant information as you filled it out when you were signing up for Chefsheet. You may see that your restaurant has already been found. Since Chefsheet has not yet opened, we don't see a search result. You can always change and search for any restaurant by replacing the text here, here, and here. Click Find Restaurant. Here we found the restaurant we were searching for, and now we click View Menus. Depending on how your menu is organized and how the database has captured your data, you may find your menu sorted by price and description. Sometimes menu item name and description have been combined, and sometimes the prices haven't been collected. It depends on how your menu is formatted on your website and how the database, in this case Loku, is interacting with your website. Now we want to import the lunch menu, so we click here and click Auto Import. Depending on when the data was added to the database, you may find items you no longer carry, or it might be slightly out of date, but generally it'll be pretty correct. Choose the menu you want and select the items. You can select all for each category and then click Auto Import. Now you'll see all the menu items with the menu item prices that provided in the database. Now let's say that your goal is to achieve a 25% food cost. You can set that for all of your items here, or you can change them individually. You can also edit those later on. Now, how do you sell these items? If you're like most of us, you sell them as food, so you would select that, but of course you can change any one of these to a different category if you want, and of course you can edit these later in the menu editor. Click Finish Import. Now you'll see all of the items from your menu imported directly into Chefsheet. You can edit by clicking them, change anything you need, perhaps the cooking instructions, and then add items from your inventory to build the recipes that you'll cost out. To learn more about creating and editing recipes, view the tutorial How to Create a Recipe.